guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Teresa Michele, and today we are diving into Lash Land. I'm showing you how I applied the Luxe by I Envy Extended Clear Band Faux Mink Cluster Lashes. Before we jump into the application, here's the things you'll need. Luxe by I Envy Faux Mink Cluster Lashes, Bond and Seal, Volume Boot Tweezers, or any tweezers will work, small scissors, mascara wands, and just in case, EB Lashes Gel Remover, and a Q-tip. This is what the packaging looks like. The bond is on one side, the seal is on the other. Look at how cute this pink tube is. There's also a 3-step process on how to use it. First, I take the mascara wand and brush through my natural lashes to make sure there is no lint, oil, or leftover mascara. Next, I use the bond side of the bond and seal and gently brush it through my lashes just like mascara. You don't need a lot, just a light coat. I took mine from base to tip. Now it's time for the magic. I use my volume boot tweezers to apply the lashes underneath my natural lashes, not on top. I place each cluster lash along the lash line and give it a gentle push to set it in. After placing each one, I press my real lashes and falsies together using my tweezers to really lock them in. Once all the clusters are on, I go back in with my fingers and press everything together. This really helps them blend and stay into place. Now I'm sealing the deal, literally. I take the seal side and coat from base to the tips of my lashes. Everywhere I put on the bond, I need to apply the seal because the bond will remain sticky if you do not apply the seal on top of it. This is what's going to harden them and help them last. While that's drying, let's go ahead and repeat the same process on the other eye. One thing to keep in mind is to keep your tweezers clean. If you get glue on your tweezers, it will make it difficult for the lashes to release from the tweezers after you apply them to your lash line. So you can see here that I'm having that issue. I got glue on my tweezers and my lashes are sticking to my tweezers. So what I eventually had to do was take a paper towel and squeeze my tweezers around them and pull them off of the paper towel to remove the glue. Once I did that, everything was going much smoother. One of my corner lashes came off, and I left this clip in here to let you know that if you do not apply enough bond and or seal, your lashes will not adhere correctly. Everything went on so smoothly, super quick and beginner friendly. And I got a little bond on my eyelid, but no worries. EB Lashes Gel Remover and a Q-tip to the rescue. It came off super easily. The lashes are on, they feel secure, and honestly, they dried a lot harder than I expected, but now I know that's what the seal is for. The lashes feel light, the look is glam, and the process was quick. I definitely use these again. So here's the final look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Now your head is above my head.